I purchased a new Waltx Summit aluminum alloy sports bicycle on 8th of December. I received the package from Gati Couriers on 15th of December. They dispatched the bicycle from Chennai on 9th, and in 4 days I received it. This is a new Waltx 29 inches alloy bicycle. I traveled about 7 kilometers, 6 kilometers on this bicycle, out of which 3.65 kilometers were plain and the other 2.5 kilometers for mountain. You can see. Otherwise, I used to ride urban trail bicycle, which has 26 inches tire and 21 Shimano gears. All the gears are trailer ones, the new models. But it has disc brake and better height suitable for me, so I didn't find much trouble. Otherwise, I had to halt on the bridge area within 3.65 kilometers, but today I didn't halted. Just I had to map my ride plain area 3.65 and the other 2.4 kilometers as mountainous, so that I could differentiate the speed, which was slightly 1 kilometer lesser than the plain area. It has a smooth ride and don't get bumped on any pothole or gravel. The disc brakes are also very efficient, and the angular frame looks brilliant. Since it is tilted towards backward, anyone can easily maneuver and look himself down. And both the legs didn't get collided with each other while riding at high speed. It has a suspension lock also. While riding on plain areas, you can lock it to protect or regain the long life of the suspensions. I have to fix one light and speedometer computer or cyclometer on this bicycle, that I will do within 1 month, because I am planning to compare them with online models and BTWin one, which I purchased about 4 months ago. That light has a good backup, but we have to recharge it through USB again and again. It is not easily detachable because of the rubber bands, so I have to keep the power bank readily available. Due to regular bicycling gear shifters, it is very good for exercising and non-stop ride. Otherwise, if I would have purchased the one with slim tires, it would have been difficult to ride on mountainous regions, which are just about 5 kilometers from my house. So I reached here within half hour. That was the only reason to opt for MTB rather than urban bicycle. Otherwise, if you are living in a plain area, you can opt for Waltx 4 also, which is only 1000 lesser than this one. but due to better rides and superior handlebar and there is no much difference between Waltx 4 and Waltx Summit 29. The only difference is the tires, and I am not sure whether the rim is similar to Waltx 4 or not, but you can see all products are Shimano only. Shimano Tourney TZ has been installed and 6-speed along with Tourney 3-speed in the front. It has 29 inches tire. I haven't hanged my I used to hang my hand cricket on the handlebar. I got free mudguard and basket also, for which I had to travel about 14 kilometers on bicycle. That is also a saving for on my behalf. Moreover, the most important part for me is the color combination, which is not easily available in other models. And the best part of this bicycle is that no other bicycle has that much smooth welding edges, which are merged with each other due to the 6061 highly malleable and ductile aluminum alloy, which contains 1% magnesium, 0.8% copper and 0.6% silicon, along with 0.4% chromium. I have posted the unboxing pictures. You can check in my YouTube or Facebook profile along with Instagram profile. So I am planning to return back. This ride is enough for the first day. I will get more familiar with 29 inches bicycle, then I will ride higher mountains also.